Go ahead.
Alright guys, so I am about to make this salmon today, lemon pepper salmon. I have 1 whole lemon. Of course I have my salmon here. I got my black pepper, my garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, parsley, a little bit of olive oil, and lemon juice. So the first thing you're gonna do is put a little bit of olive oil underneath your salmon before you start doing anything else. So I've already put that under there, and now I can go in and start seasoning. I have the black pepper, and my garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and I have some butter over here that's pretty much melted, and I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to this, probably like half a tablespoon. And I am going to add my parsley to this. Mix it around. And I'm just going to put this right on top of my salmon. Coat it really good. Now I'm going to cut up my lemons, and I'm going to put these on top of everything. All right, throw these on top. And now I'm just gonna put some foil on top of this and throw this to the oven for like 25 minutes, and then it's gonna be done. Alright guys, so this is my salmon right out of the oven, steaming hot, lemony, peppery, ready to go. So you could plate this over some rice or have some vegetables with this, and that is it. It is done and ready to go. It literally was in the oven for 25 minutes, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna taste so good. I'm about to take a piece right now. Alright, I'm gonna just take a little piece from over here. Oh yeah, so lemony and so good. So I hope you guys make this salmon for yourself, but I'm about to tear it up. I'll see you guys in my next video.